checkpoint to a point 4.7, what is display when running the following program. So we have one main methods and then method. So if you look at try, okay, we try to call methods through exceptions. So we are trying to divide by 0. So this will actually this will not throw explicitly. Okay, I mean this is not going to throw the exceptions. Okay, what will happen is we send back. Okay, send back to here, and then looking for exceptions that match with the 1 divided by 0, which is actually the catchphrase here. ArithmeticExceptions, and that will be printed then through the exceptions. Okay. Then of course after that it's not relevant, so we are here. So basically it's going to print arithmetic exception. Let's see. Okay, here you go, arithmetic exception. Okay. So when you call for methods, will be here. Try to do the exception handling. So send back and then match with the catch. Okay, print it and then throw that exceptions later. That's all. Thank you.